Hi guys, welcome back to Mom of All Trades. Today I'm going to show you how to store ginger and garlic paste naturally and keep it fresh for 5 to 6 months. A lot of pre-made food gives you a lot of health issues, so I started to make natural paste. So what you will first have to do is peel the ginger and then cut it into cubed pieces just like this. Then grind it. In this situation, I have a chopper. If you don't have a chopper, then get something like this, or you can just grind it with your hand. This is how it's supposed to look like. And if you've watched my last video, which was cleaning my spice cabinet, I had some extra jars left over, so I'm using it in this video to store my ginger. So I'm going to use some extra virgin oil. Now I'm using this because I want to have my paste to be together, and I suggest you to add 2 to 3 tablespoons. This is the end look, and this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to cut some garlic. This is how you cut them, and you also peel them just like this. And this is how it's supposed to look like, and also grind this in the chopper also. Now it should look like just like this. And this is also one of the extra jars that I had in my recent latest video. Now since these two pastes look kind of similar, I'm just gonna put a label on these. Also, I'm using some extra virgin oil too. As I said before, I'm putting these 2 labels on them. Now what you will have to do is store them in the refrigerator. Now this is the tip of the day. So the smell is going to be in the house for a while. So I'm just using a lavender comb. Now you can get this from Walmart, Geisler's, Walgreens, and any local superstore around you. Thank you for watching my video, and give me a like and subscribe, and tune in for more videos.